How to add soundboard sound effects to your Discord server. First, you want to open up Discord and go to your Discord server. Now, right click on your server and click on server settings. And from the left side, you want to navigate to Soundboard. And from here, you can upload your own sound effects or sound reactions that you can play. And then you want to click on Upload Sound and navigate to the file, which should be an MP3 file. So you can use whatever sound effect that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. And then you can give it a name. For example, test. You can also add an emoji to it related to emoji. And then you can control the sound from here. And then you can upload it. Now, before uploading that, you can hold down the control key on your keyboard and use these white indicators right here to kind of trim the sound so that it plays only a specific part of the sound, and only then you will be able to upload it once it fits the time of the sound or the duration required, which is under 5 seconds. As you can see right here, if the number is green, the duration is green, you can upload the sound. If the duration is orange or yellow, you can't upload the sound because it's too long. So you can reduce it by holding control and moving these white sliders, and then press upload and wait for it to upload the sound. Now, to use that sound that you added, you can basically go to your server and join a voice channel. And then from here, you should be able to click on the soundboard by click on open soundboard. And you should be able to see your soundboard right here. And if you click on it, it should basically play the sound effect. You can also click on the star to add it to your favorites. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.